Using the Wealthfront app is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Here's a guide to get you started. Download and log in. Install the Wealthfront app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and log in using your account credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one by following the on-screen instructions. Set up your account. Once logged in, complete your profile by providing necessary details such as financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment preferences. This helps Wealthfront tailor your investment strategy. Fund your account. Link your bank account to Wealthfront. You can set up a one-time deposit or schedule recurring contributions to fund your account. Monitor investments. The app displays your portfolio performance, including asset allocation and investment growth. Regularly check this section to track how your investments are performing. Access financial planning tools. Utilize Wealthfront's financial planning tools for retirement planning, college savings, and other financial goals. These tools provide insights and recommendations to help you manage your finances effectively. Manage your portfolio. Adjust your investment preferences or update your goals through the app. Wealthfront will automatically rebalance your portfolio and implement tax loss harvesting to optimize returns. Withdraw funds. If needed, you can transfer funds from your Wealthfront account to your linked bank account through the app.